First time seeing rain in LA.
Like, it's literally the worst time to be homeless in LA. Like this is all week. Like, all week is rain. It's that hostile, but like, so like, till tomorrow, like, they're gonna be out here, for real. Like, it don't really like rain like that in like November, but like, the weather happen. Like, usually like rain like this in December in LA. You know, they got events going on. Still got an event, Camp Florida and all. I don't know how that's going. They're gonna do that. They're gonna change the date, or they're gonna be in the rain, jamming in the rain. Yeah.